Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you this beautiful only one row repeating triangle shawl. It's so simple but so gorgeous and so fast crocheting. I use here yarn art flowers. Its color number is, I'm not finishing yet. Here the after of my yarn. This yarn, one ball is 250 meters and it's equal to 1000 meters. Okay, you can make a shawl only one ball with these yarn art flowers. This color number is 256. This yarn contains 55% of cotton, 45% of polyacrylic. And this yarn category is size 2, fine yarn. I use here 3mm hook and they recommend us for hook 3mm. Okay, it's so simple. I give all the details in the video, but if you have any questions, please leave me comments and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot for your kind comments. This pattern is so beautiful and so fast crocheting and only one row repeating. Here, if you're ready, we can start to crochet our so simple only one row repeat triangle shawl. Let's start to crochet. I will show you same size category yarn. This is 2 again, and I use again 3mm hook. I will show you. First of all, we will make magic ring. If you don't want to make magic ring, you will make chain 4, turn to the first one and join two sides together with slip stitch and make a circle. Then keep crocheting as same as me. Okay, now I want to start with magic ring like that. Grab my yarn, insert that hole and 1, 2, 3 and 4 chains. Count as my first double treble. Yarn over twice, insert into the same hole, grab my yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. Yarn over twice, insert that hole, grab my yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. Make here 3 double treble. Then chain 2. Yarn over twice and make 3 double treble again. 1, yarn over twice, 2, yarn over twice, 3. This is our first border actually. Okay, now make the center, chain 3, make this hole a little, yarn over twice and make your second border. 3 double treble, 1, 2, 3, chain 2, yarn over twice and make your last set of 3 double treble. 1, 2 and 3. This is our first row. Pull that yarn tightly and close that hole. This is our first row. 3 double treble, chain 2, 3 double treble, chain 3, 3 double treble, chain 2, 3 double treble. That's it. Then grab 2 yarns together and lock this hole like that. Chain 1 and turn your work. Then make here 1, 2 and 3 slip stitches and come to chain 2 space and start to make. Always repeat as same as 3 double, chain 2, 3 double treble on this chain 2 space. This is your right side's border. 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is my first double treble. Then yarn over twice, 2, yarn over twice, 3, chain 2, make 3 more in the same space. 1, 2, 3. Here. Now chain 3, yarn over, come to chain 3 space, grab your yarn, lose it, pull through 2. Hold these second loop here. Okay, not pull off. Yarn over, insert the same chain 3 space, grab your yarn, lose it, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert the same space, grab your yarn, lose it, pull through 2. 3 times. I repeat it 5 times. Yarn over, insert, grab, lose it, pull through 2. 4, and make one more, 5. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 loops. Pull through 5 of them, pull through 2 of them. 1, 2, 3, and come to second side. This is the left side of left border. Then yarn over twice and make this chain 2 space, 3 double triple, 1, 2, 3, chain 2, yarn over twice and make 3 more, 1, 2, 3. That's the second row. Chain 1 and turn my work. Make my slip stitches 1, 2, and 3, come to chain 2 and make my border, chain 4, yarn over twice. This is the second one and this is the third one. Chain 2, yarn over twice, make 3 more, 1, 2, and 3. Now come here again. This time also we will start the repeating row. Chain 2, yarn over, come to this first space and make here this not popcorn. I don't know this stitch name. This stitch I will make here. Pull through 2 and wait the second loop on my hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pull through 5 of them, pull through 2 of them. Chain 1, yarn over, come to top of that stitch and make here double crochet, chain 2 and make in the same stitch one more double crochet and make V stitch, chain 1 and make here one more this popcorn here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pull through 5, pull through 2. Now I come to border. I finish the row with chain 2, yarn over twice and make my border 3 double triple, 1, 2, 3, chain 2 and make 3 double triple more in the same space, 1, 2, 3. That's the third row, actually repeating row. I will show you one more time. Chain 1 and turn my work and make my slip stitches, 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over twice. This is the second one and this is the third one. Chain 2 and make 3 more double triple in the same chain 2 space, 2, 3. Now after the border I will make chain 2. Okay, that's the repeating row. Yarn over, come to chain 2 space and make my popcorn, I will say here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 6 loops on my hook. Pull through 5 of them, pull through 2 of them. Chain 1, yarn over, come to previous row's popcorn stop here, insert and make here V-stitch, double crochet, chain 2 and double crochet. Chain 1, I see here previous row's V, I will make this chain 2 space, a popcorn, like popcorn, okay. Pull through 2, 1, pull through 2, 2, pull through 2, 3, pull through 2, 4, pull through 2, 5, pull through 5 of them, pull through 2 of them. Chain 1, yarn over, I see popcorn from previous row, I will make V-stitch on it, double, chain 2, make 1 more double. Come to last chain 2 space, chain 1 and come to last chain 2 space and make my like popcorn again. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Pull through 5, pull through 2. I left the border with chain 2. I come to border with chain 2. Okay. Between of these borders here, always make chain 1, but you can adapt it with your yarn and hook. Now I will make my border again, 3 double triple, 1, 2, 3, chain 2, 1, 2, 3. Now I will make my border, chain 2 and make my popcorn. See, make V-stitch on the popcorn. On V-stitch I will make popcorn. When you see popcorn, make V-stitch. When you see V-stitch, make popcorn. That's it only. I will show you one more time and that's enough. Chain 1 and turn my work. Make my slip stitches 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over, count as my double triple. This is the second one. 2, 3, chain 2. Make 3 more. 1, 2, 3. Left this border with chain 2. Yarn over, come to first space and make here popcorn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pull through 5, pull through 2. Chain 1, yarn over. Come to top of this popcorn, make V-stitch. Double, chain 2, double, chain 1, I see V-stitch and make here popcorn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pull through 5, pull through 2. Chain 1, see popcorn, make V-stitch on it. Yarn over, insert the top of that and make double, chain 2, double. Chain 1, see V-stitch, make popcorn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pull through 5, pull through 2. Chain 1, see here popcorn, make V, double, chain 2, double, chain 1, come to last, chain 2 space, make your last popcorn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, pull through 5, pull through 2, chain 2 and make your border. 1, 2, 3, chain 2 and make 3 more double triple, 2 and 3. You will always start your row with popcorn, finish your row with popcorn. That's it. This is the biggest version of that. I hope you like it. It's so simple, so fast crocheting and so beautiful. I hope you will try that and you will make it. If my video comes so speedy, please, you can see here 3 dots on the right of the screen. Slow me down, click on here. Thanks a lot. If you have any questions, please leave me comments. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest, and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.